He's excited. Say hi. Hi guys. Okay, so today I am wearing pink. Too much pink today for me actually. Today is Pink Shirt Day, and it's like an annual day to stop the bullying, speak up, and stand together. That's the one. We're just on our way now to the night market, and like we haven't been to the night market for such a long time, and so once we get there I will once we get there I'll show you guys around, and hopefully we find some really good stuff, because the last time we did our night market video there wasn't much going on, so my phone is low battery. All right guys, so it's currently 5:11. This is like the earliest ever that we make it to the night market, so hopefully we'll be able to find a really good parking. But what I really want to find tonight is the power, the cream power. That's what I'm after. But yeah, we'll see how we go. We're almost there. Video is not good quality though. Hi. Come on, Johnny.
I can't put my shoes on.
Yeah. Let's look for the
Sometimes they say they come quite late, like late.
I don't know what's this place.
What is this? Hey Shane?
Yeah.
Olea.
Cream power sale.
Yo, let's go!
Can I go around? We're good. It's over here.
Leo.
Look. Look. Yeah, it's on.
Lee, John, what are you gonna get?
I don't know. Maybe I thought to get something else. I know. Look over there. Look at that kids. They're getting that. I know how to do it.
It's a better phone over there.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, I'll show you the best they do.
I don't want to eat that.
Turkey tails.
Now what?
The tongue thing.
Where?
Over here.
Are they here as well? High five?
Not high five. Just
That one we have.
Oh yeah.
They do the hangi as well.
tummy. What's tummy again?
Raw fish. Cream power.
What's cream power?
Very great fish, $120. And they got that one.
Yeah. Turkey tail. Ooh.
Turkey tail.
Taro.
Where's turkey tail?
Over there. $6.
Oh look, they got some for.
Come here.
Do you
want the, can I have the taro, please? One taro. And
Yes.
the turkey tail? Taro and turkey tail? Taro and the turkey tail?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You get do you want to try there's a seafood chowder as well. This is all prepared. Do you want to get a seafood chowder as well?
What was the other thing?
Turkey tail?
Turkey tail.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ask you what
You want some
she's
food?
got some. So turkey tail, this one here.
Is it cream power in the fried bread or is it just cream power? Oh, yeah, yeah. All right, guys, hurry up. Make your order.
Get a fried bread as well.
Oh, okay, so I'll have the cream power and fried bread then, please.
Yes, not that sweet. Oh, yeah. It's barbecue. Before I take it home, I'll get two of
Guys, you need to make up your minds now if you're going to have it from here. Yes, please. Yeah.
And the turkey tail, eh?
And the turkey tail,
You
yeah.
guys are all the same name?
Yeah.
Oh,
You have a small raw fish or a big raw fish?
yeah.
Yeah.
And what
Nice.
your tapasui, lamb crab chicken, what do you call the mix?
Barbecue?
Barbecue mix, yeah. I have two of them as well, please.
I'll take the sweet.
Yeah, I got it. There's no raw fish as well if you want.
Yeah. What did you get done?
Barbecue mix.
Oh, barbecue. No, too cold, son.
It's not cold with me.
Yeah, it's too cold. You have to eat something warm.
I don't want something else warm. I want there's a candy there.
Oh, you want the candy floss? You want the candy floss?
No.
Yeah.
No, I just want to be even.
What about nuggets? What about nuggets?
No.
Where's that? Babe.
Hi, sorry.
Alright, let's stand over here then. Hi, can I get a small candy floss? Maybe pink?
Pink?
Yeah.
Pink bubblegum. This one?
Yes, that one. Shane. Let's go.
Abracadabra. Magic. There you go.
Hey. Thank you. That's it. Yeah.
$6.
Oh, just put it down, Shane. Show me. Nice. All right, let's go. Look at Dasha holding it and John busy.
Maybe the glass no.
Huh?
Maybe the glass we just go in was next week.
Yeah.
We just wait in the glass of food.
Yeah.
It's kind of good out there.
Now we go in the back of the car. Why don't we eat here? Hi. Good, how are you? Shane.
All your $20 plate, please.
Ooh, it's nice, isn't it? What's that, son?
It's kind of good.
Is it yummy?
Is it yummy?
Yeah. You have to eat it though.
Oh, Mom,
Yeah?
what do you about that one? You know what's getting good ball? Do you know that one? There you go, your 2 card.
Yeah.
I just need to go one of us way over there. Wait, that's no car. Is that like a new one? I don't know if that's a new one. Oh, that's a new one. No, flying it.
Move here, John.
John, move here. Come this way, baby.
Dada. Oh, I'll put them in the car.
Open the boot, Nilla.
Who's got the car keys?
Oh, here, right.
Come here, son. We're gonna eat here first.
I'm just going to transfer in the front for now.
Yeah.
Alright, come here this way.
Ooh.
Hi guys, look at that.
Under the light. Nice. Ooh. Oh, wait there. Nice. That looks nice. What did you get, Dasha? Under the light.
I got some potato salad, chicken, barbecue ribs, sausage, and sup suey.
Yummy. What did you get, John?
I got chicken nuggets and fries.
And fries and chips. Same as Leo. Leo, sit down. And same as Leo, right?
Yeah.
Nella, what did you get?
Dang.
You got the same, eh? Same as Dasha.
Yeah. Same as Dasha.
Yeah. Look,
It's good.
guys, this is my fried bread.
What?
And this is my cream power and
Power?
my taro
Didn't
and
get power.
my
Sit down.
turkey tail. Guys, it's my, look at this creamy power. It's not, hang on, I'm trying to make it focus. And fried bread.
Naughty. Oh, who's that talking? I thought it was just a man.
How's yours?
Nearly finished now.
And John?
I'm gonna finish all of this.
Look at her food. It's so nice. They look up the same. And we've locked up the prisoner.
Yeah.
My phone died, so we had to use Shane's phone. And I'm not too sure what the quality is gonna be like from Shane's phone. So, but I'll still put together everything from the night market. Morning, guys. Gosh, it's been a minute. We've been up since 6 o'clock. We're heading out to the girls' netball game at 8. Yeah, so we'll see you guys there. So hopefully by the time we get there, oops, the weather's pretty bad. Hopefully by the time we get there, I doubt it, but hopefully. The girls' game is at 8:30, but we have to be there by 8 for their warm-ups. It's not pretty. So, and they haven't cancelled it yet.
Let's walk.
Alright, let's
Ready?
go. Ready?
We're leaving now.
How depressing. Alright, we're on our way.
Looks like you girls are playing in the rain today. You know what that means, eh? It's going to be a slippery ball. Yeah, make sure you catch it. When you catch the ball, you catch it with 2 hands. Green.
I'm surprised they haven't cancelled the game yet. So I'm not sure how. Yeah. But I guess they'll be alright. I don't care. Guys, we're on our way home. I am soaking wet. And the girls. Dasha is the player of the day. So yeah, worth it. Yeah, as you can see, guys, the weather is still pretty bad. We're on our way home now, and we're going to, I couldn't even record the game because it was, you know, it was just pouring down, and you know, I didn't want to get my phone wet, so I did manage to take a photo of the whole team. It's all good. So now we're just gonna go home and get changed and get cozied up, and I don't know, maybe have something to eat and then watch a movie. All right, we'll see you there. Chef? Yeah. Did you put ginger in it?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put it in some.
Okay, Billy.
Say uma. So I'm gonna do this, or are you gonna do it?
Guys! Come and eat now!
Hello.
John, Dasha.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm not eating.
Yes, you are eating.
I'm not eating. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Yum, 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 yum.
Where's the baby?
The baby's coming.
Get him here, Dasha.
He's coming.
Hey, put your piggy bank away.
In Jesus' name I pray.
Amen. Alright. Just cooling down John's food.
It's really nice.
You still wait for it until. Some lamb shoulder chops.
No, that's
I got the fat.
It's nice and tender.
Boy, this is a chicken. I thought, what is this? Hot. It's kind of hot. I thought that was really hot in the back. Nope. Oh! What's on my head? What are the stories of this? Here's the fried one.
I'm gonna beat now.
But still hot.
You need to blow some.
I don't need to just be away.
Nice, yeah.
This is a nice food for this winter.
I put more cheese in it.
Ooh, it's nice.
The soup is still hot though.
Yeah. This is so nice, man.
These meats are my favorite.
You want some more rice?
The potato tastes good with the soup, Mom.
Definitely.
I haven't even got a single potato in my soup.
One potato.
Yeah, the lime soda is nice.
The what?
The lime soda.
I put sweet chili in it.
Nice. Want some more soup? Just cramping?
You have to eat it now. Just slowly. Slowly.
I'm gonna get some more.
The lamb shoulder is really yummy.
What sweet smell is it?
It's a sweet chili sauce.
Oh. I thought you were talking about sweet sauce. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
It's all it's nice. It's got potatoes.
Potatoes. I don't know. I thought yeah!
It's also saucy.
Yeah. Saucy.
Potato bean.
Saucy.
Wait, what sauce is it? What?
What trouble is here?
Did you finish your food?
Nah, sorry. Most of it is.
It's really good. Half an hour is good.
Our netball game today was tiring, but it was we were also
Good boy, John. You're doing such a good job. Here's your food. What was it like playing in the Rangers?
soaking cold, and also fun because and it was slippery too.
Check out the field. What?
That was disgusting. What John was doing. It was orange.
No, don't ruin my soup, boy. Look at that. You gonna eat it?
Mom. Put a flour bear and then put a corn in there. I think it's salty.
You just spilled my food. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna clean it up. Come on.
So guys, we're gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. It's a pretty bad weather right now and it's forecasted that it's gonna be raining all weekend. Bye!